Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to make and validate your JSON file. Let's begin. On your desktop, we can right click and then create a new text document. Open it up and it's time to add your JSON data. So I'm going to simply paste mine over here. Once done, you can click on File, Save As. I'm going to put this on the desktop still. I'm going to name this JSON number one. Make sure to save this type as all files. All right. Click on save. You can now close this. All right. So you can see this is my JSON number one. Next step is you would like to validate your file if it's working. So go to this website. You can look up for any JSON validator. We're going to choose this code beautify and then choose a file. I'm going to locate JSON number one. And there you go. It just shows it's a valid JSON file. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done under a minute. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.